Welcome again. Here is another video of how I prepared some lo mein served up with some homemade roti and some curried chicken. Please remember, give your girl a like. Stay tuned for this video. Here's a video that I promised to do for you all to show you how I prepared lo mein. I did this before with a meal, but I did not show you all that I used in this because it's my business. I used some celery, some cabbage, some carrots. I used some spinach. I used some green sweet snap peas, some green beans, and also some mixed vegetables that were frozen. The regular, I use my ginger, onions, purple, white, bell pepper, and everything you see on my counter. I'll be using a little hint of sugar, not a lot. And as I mentioned, it's my business. When we go out and we purchase this, we don't know what they add in it. So it's a touch and go and an experiment for me. So here to start, I have my boiled spaghetti, and you can also use egg noodles. I use a hint of olive oil. I added my ginger. I'm sauteing my veggies for a quick minute or two to get them a little crisp, not cooked in its entirety. And I saute this. I'll be adding a little hint more of olive oil on this because it does not have a lot of oil in it, and I needed to get my veggies ready and going. Lo mein is more like a Chinese dish that we go out and we purchase, and I'll reiterate again, home cooked meals are the best. They're healthy, they're economical, they're also cost saving. Here I am adding in my veggies, and I'll just saute them for a quick few minutes. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. I am here preparing some lo mein. Please remember, guys, to give the video a like. If you're not sure where the like button is, right where you see the heading or the title for the video, there's a little finger pointing up. Once you click on that finger, it's a like. It's free. There is no cost to it. Please remember to like. So now I will season the veggies. I added a little hint of black pepper, some smoked paprika, a little hint of oregano because I wanted to, because the veggies are fresh, no seasoning on them, and I will not be using any salt. Then I added my kale, my spinach, and my celery in this after soaking them. Then I added my sweet snap beans, some green peas, and the mixed vegetable along with some green beans, which in Jamaica we call string beans. I had them in my freezer frozen, so I thawed them out, removed any excess water from them, because we do know that cabbage springs water, and especially these cabbage here in America, they spring a lot of water. This is optional. You can just do your lo mein how you want it to. I wanted mine to look more delectable. I wanted mine to look not just looking like it had pure noodles in it. I also added some veggies in it also, which are healthy. So although we know the noodles are bad for us due to the starch, I added in some veggies to help to make this even a little healthier. Now, I covered this. I don't normally cover my veggies to steam, but I covered this for a quick minutes because the kale was raw kale and the leaves can tend to be a little mushy. So I covered it for, I would say, 5 minutes. I left it covered. Now I'm about to add my noodles. Please remember, once you're watching the video, if you're experimenting like I do all the time, you can pause the video. You will see on the screen I add some instructions. If anyone is interested in preparing this, please drop a comment and I will update to add the ingredients that I incorporated in mine. And remember, this is mine. So here I'm adding some sesame oil, a little oyster sauce, and I will be adding a little more at the end. I added a little Hoisin sauce, and these are the same sauces that I used in my fried rice before. I used a soy sauce, and then I used another one which was a little lighter. The first one was heavier, so I used two different types of soy sauce. It is also up to you, optional, you can use one. Look at my meal. So in my fried rice, I use the same Hoisin. Most of what you see I added on the screen. So here I added a little all-purpose, I added a little Italian, and I added few little grains of white sugar. Don't come for me. We all know that sugar is unhealthy because it's processed, and also ketchup is filled with sugar. It's also processed, but we do use them. We just have to be careful how much we add into our meal. I will not be using any ketchup in this. This is not a meal for ketchup. If you want ketchup on the side with your pasta, then it's up to you. Optional, I added some pepper flakes because I didn't have any spicy pepper. I'm not going to say Scotch bonnet pepper because the pepper we get here in the States, it is not Scotch bonnet. If you Google Scotch bonnet, that's not Scotch bonnet. Anyway, I added a little additional Hoisin sauce. I added a little more of the sesame oil. It gives it a really, really nice flavor and taste also. The Hoisin sauce. Those are some of the ingredients used also to do fried rice. Because I wanted a darker color, hence the reason why I added additional soy sauce to this. Welcome again to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and feel free to share my videos. I also use a little bay leaf. I love to use bay leaf and ginger in my cooking. Now here is my finished meal, my finished dish, and I served this with some homemade roti and some curried chicken. And I will also drop my homemade roti video in this. If you want, at the end of the video, you can just click on it and it will take you to it, or it will be in the description box. Again, thank you for the support. Thank you for coming to my little channel that I'm trying to grow. Cooking home cooked meals which are healthy, they are economical, and they are also cheaper. Please remember to like, share, give your girl a little like. It's free. Look at my dinner. It's summer and I will not be doing a lot of Jamaican style meal because the place is like really hot. I'll be doing like quick half-hour meals, nothing too hard. So thank you again for coming to my channel. Stay tuned for my next video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and set that notification bell. Stay safe, stay blessed. See you soon in my next video.